Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So for today's vlog, I'm going to be honest, I started filming and it was a manic day. It was party day at my school today. We were non-stop all day. It's now 5:45 and I've barely filmed anything. So instead of giving you a very boring day video, I thought I would share with you how I spent my birthday here in Chicago this year, where I went to Starbucks, the big Starbucks Reserve that's here in Chicago. I filmed it. I never got around to sharing it with everyone because I was busy sharing my SummerSlam stuff. So I thought I would share that instead. I hope you don't mind, but I thought this would be a little bit more interesting. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe and make sure you are with me on Christmas Day at 10 a.m. I'm going to do my first live. I'm kind of nervous about it, but if you have questions about life in Chicago and working in Chicago, let me know so I can answer them then, and then pop along to say hi on Christmas Day as well. So thanks for watching, enjoy the video, and I shall see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye. Right, we made it to the Starbucks Reserve. This is on Michigan Avenue, which is like the busy street. It's called like Magnificent Mile here in Chicago. It's where all the hotels are, all the tourists go, all the shops are. So yeah, we're gonna head in. So it looks like, I mean, there's 5 floors and it's all kind of divided. So this first part is just a kind of coffee bar with like croissants and bits and bobs, but it also shows some of the like machinery used. Then the second floor is the bakery and cafe where you can get like salads and pastries and pizzas. I'm really off a sign. The third floor is like an experimental coffee bar where you can get different types of coffee infusions. The fourth floor is a cocktail bar, which is where I want to go and get my martini. It's like an espresso martini. And the 5th floor is a roof terrace. So yeah, it's a big place. So we are here in October, so you have plenty of pumpkin spice lattes, candle bars, hats, woven patches, all of the autumnal fall stuff is here. They even have a section for cold coffee, and they have these like barrel, I'll just show you, these barrel ice molds, which look really cool. I'm tempted. So now we are one level up at the second level, and it's the bakery cafe. There's lots of seating areas, and there's like a big bar where you can get different types of croissants, pizzas, pastas, salads, that type of thing. So it looks like today they have it all like the kitchen open, so you can see them cooking. But they have a few desserts out. They have quite a lot of like flatbread and pizza, like pizza slices out, and then they have a lot of like filled croissants, which they do look delicious, but it's really busy. We come at 12:49 on a Friday and it's packed. So this is the 3rd floor. So this is more the experimental coffees. It's just one big coffee bar. Coffees from kind of like all over the world, but they also have some of like the different infusion coffees here as well. Again, it is busy, not as busy as downstairs, but it's still pretty busy for a Friday midday. But yeah, there's plenty of places to sit up here, and there's a lot of kind of like areas where you can just kind of hover and put your drink down, that type of thing. But yeah, it looks interesting. So this is the 4th floor. This is like the espresso bar, so you can get like espresso martinis here, lots of different kind of coffee infused cocktails. It looks like it's a queuing system, and then you get given a table as and when that's available. I don't know if you can reserve, maybe we can check that out online. But yeah, it looks like another, it's like very light and open, but that's cool. Right, we then walked to the top, so the roof terrace is pretty small. Like, I'm literally counting the seats, seven little table chair areas. But yeah, it's an okay view. There's definitely like rooftop restaurants around here that gives you a better view of the area, but it's nice enough. Right, we have stopped off at the bar. I've ordered a pumpkin spiced espresso martini, and then Callum's ordered something called a whiskey cloud, so should be nice. And because it's my birthday, I'm gonna have birthday cake. I actually went for a cannoli. I've never had one before. Always want to try one, so that's what I'm having. Right, we are done in the Starbucks Reserve. It was lovely. We picked up a few bits and bobs, but we had like an espresso martini. It was really nice. There was like a chai latte one, a normal martini, and then a pumpkin spice. Highly recommend it. It was really good. All three of them. I like the pumpkin spice one the best. But I said to Callum we have to go back for Christmas because apparently they have like peppermint mocha espresso martini ones there, so that's happening. I also picked up like a little cake. So it's my birthday, so I was like, I want cake. But she gave it to us for free, which was really nice. Men didn't even say it was our birthday. She was just like, oh, it's fine. I was like, okay. So really nice there. But yeah, we picked up a few things. So here in America, they have points, as they do in a lot of places. And Callum like collects the Starbucks points. And we always have a Starbucks when it's like triple points day and stuff like that. So he collected all the points, so he had enough for 2 free items, like $40 worth basically. So we picked up 2 mugs, a Christmas decoration and a shot glass. But yeah, so we did pick up a few things. I think we're gonna head over to the Chicago Cubs store, which is like just opposite, and then just explore Michigan Avenue. So yeah, that's the plan.